We are now teaching clients how to assemble our handle. First of all, this handle has been assembled. Here we go, is to teach customers to assemble into machines. So let's start with this. Take a look at the back first. Let's plug this button first. Connect to the machine. After hole-to-hole alignment, then fasten the lock. Then we need to prepare these tools and screws. After, adjust its steering. Let's see here. When adjusting this angle, like the angle I'm showing here, we'll straighten it out, then assemble in this direction. After putting it in, we're going to move the screen a little bit. The screw goes in from the front. And then, put this gasket on. Each screw has a corresponding one. Finally, screw on the nut. Then use this hexagonal stone again. Reinforce it. Just reinforce each screw. Tighten it a little. So the assembly is complete. And look at the angle of the key. There is a distance from the screen. You can only break this angle. It is correct to go from here to this position. If the customer finds themselves installed upside down, let him readjust it again. Okay, our lower arm is installed. Let's look at the adjustment on the upper arm again. We teach our clients correct adjustment method. First of all, when the arm adjusts this section, it is important to note that you can't just break the top key. This is wrong. The correct adjustment is a hand rests on the white arm below. Then turn the upper arm, like I'm showing now. Move the upper section. Just grab the white section below, including when pressing down or lifting up. I also want to drag this white here. Let it be as stressed as possible. Not concentrated on this support point here. If the customer doesn't follow the method we say now, to adjust may lead to its support point break or rupture. In the later stage, there will be a more troublesome after-sales service to deal with. So we're going to show you the way it's pushed down and up. Hold this support point. Then press up. Lift up. Including the adjustment here. You need to drag the position of the white section. Then adjust the position of the handle. More directions. If the tube is not long enough, you can go forward. Adjustment on our handle. Take a look for yourself. It can be turned. And as we go around, we pinch here. If it is to adjust the direction, we can pinch the bottom. Anyway, when we adjust the handle, try to hold the whole arm. Let it not take too much force. This one is a little bit lower.
这个我们要可以
Let's adjust this tube.
现在这个管，然后
Then you can swing like this.
可以
Yes, this way.
这个
Or like this.
我们根
We
据
adjust it according to the position of the patient's operation.
去调整就可以了。我们现在
We are now teaching clients
正确去调，
how to adjust this handle and boom correctly.
避免后期出现
Avoid problems later.
问题。然后
In the absence of work,
不工作的情况下呢，我
I suggest he put the whole arm,
整个臂呢给
bend him back,
它弯回来取位，因为
is to give us this support point.
点呢是在
Try to minimize the normal force.
它的一个受力里面，尽量让它减到最小，不要出
Don't have the problem of a broken arm.
问题。然后
And then there's our
屏
screen.
幕呢，
The screen can be broken
就是
according to the customers,
客户的一个，
adjusted from an angle.
然后
Then you can also rotate left and right.
但是我
But keep an eye out when we spin.
留意一下，不要
Don't turn 360 degrees.
这样会
This will cause the flat line to be directly unplugged.
把松开了。所以我
So we adjust the screen angle.
呢就是
It's a 180 degree adjustment
或者说
or 90 degree adjustment up and down.
然后
Then there is a power button on the front of the instrument. It's the switch of the screen.
后面
There are two plug-in holes at the back.
这个插拔孔，
Then add the power cord.
加电源开关。
Add power switch.
我们接上
We plug in the power cord. Next, teach the operation on the customer interface. After we turn it on,
之后
wait about 1 to 2 seconds
大概1到2秒
after clicking the
点
screen.
击屏幕，
Two patterns emerge.
之后会出现
One is automatic,
模式，一个是
a manual.
一个手动。
Let's look at the automatic first.
就
After entering
先
automatic,
看我们
look at the toggle button first.
这里
Click here.
客户
If the customer has selected this laser
的时
handle,
候呢，
we can enter the interface of the laser to set it up.
设置。我们这里
We'll just go through it here.
第一个
The first one is to adjust the laser energy.
激光频率
The second one adjusts the laser frequency to extend the time.
暂停，
Then pause, start, stop.
停止。再点
Click again.
一下可以返回到
You can return to the operation interface.
操作界面。然后
And
在这里
here it is.
我们
The handle we
操
operate.
作的手柄呢，就是
It is the AE magnetic ring handle.
A2
AR.
或者说 A 加 A 加1 A 加2，不对
Or AE plus AR2 handles.
A1 加 A2 两个手柄。那么
On
在
this
这个界面
interface,
上呢，我们是
We have a parameter recommendation.
键的，因为它
Because of its overall interface,
它是属于自动
it's automatic, fully automated.
只需要
So we just need to
点
click
击
on the
部
site.
位，然后
Then select according to the part to be operated.
选中，然后点
Then click OK.
之后呢，它就
It will
会
default to the part we selected
默
to
认
treat.
我们选中的部位进行治疗了。我们
We
只
just
需要
need to
自己
start it
选择
directly.
我们选
Fully
择这个
automatic mode.
模式呢，
You just need to
选
select
择
the
部
part.
位直接启动，
You can use it after starting it
不需要
directly.
进行调节。
No adjustment
这
required.
些参数呢可以忽略
These
掉，
parameters can be ignored.
不需要
No
进
need
行
to
调
adjust
节
the frequency.
频率的它的
Its
频率呢
frequency is that the
是我们的
system has
系统
already defaulted to the customer's clinical
都
practice.
进行临床的了。在
In
自动下
automatic, we just need to
我们只
select
需
the
要
part.
选择部位即可，其他
Others do not need to be
需要进
adjusted.
行调整。那么
The
在
adhere
这
is
里的
fully
AT 呢
automatic mode.
就是全自动模式。我们再看
Let's take a look at MT again.
NT， 它属于一个
MT, it belongs to a superconducting mode.
超导模式呢，
Superconducting
它
mode.
就是作用于神经
It's a
上面
stimulus
刺激
acting on the nerves.
部位呢是
There is no need to select the part.
直接
It can be
就
started
使用可以
directly.
然后
Then switch the
通过
three stimulation
按键
frequencies through the
切
button
换
here.
3个频率的刺激给客户去作用。例如
For example, we are now using the frequency of F Zen to stimulate. or use FEFR to switch through this button.
F2通过这个按钮进行切换。
This is the clinical time setting.
这里
Here
是调节
is to regulate the intensity of the energy we are currently using. After setting the energy,
之后呢，点击启动就可以。
just click Start.
在
In our manual mode,
手动模式上呢，它是
it's frequency adjustable.
3个，分别有 F1到 F3的3种频率可调。通过
Adjustable by addition and subtraction.
适合
Adjust according to the frequency that suits the customer.
然后
Then you can also follow the parameters recommended by us.
来进行
To make adjustments,
参数呢，我们
we can select parameters on the part.
例如
For example, the part that operates the wrist.
手腕的部位，那我们
After we choose the wrist,
之后呢，它这里会跳出
it will jump out of the wrist parameters here clinical recommendations.
的建议。之后呢
Then
我
we
们
click settings here.
这边的设置，然后
Then adjust.
调节，调点
Then click start.
就可以了。那么在
Then in automatic mode,
模式上呢，我们
we can also select parts here.
这里的部位进行
Parameter recommendation.
推荐的。之后
After,
我们需要做的
all we need to do is start the operation here.
启动这里的操作。那这里
So here's one that switches 3 frequencies. A button.
现在是 F2
Now it's FR.
F3
F3.
我们
In our automatic mode,
模式下呢，它
it has 3 frequencies that are fixed.
可调的。
It's not adjustable.
情况下呢，
Under normal circumstances, we can only use the 2K that has been recommended now.
2K 4K
4K, 3K frequencies for a clinical. Okay, let's click back here.
点击返回。
Then take a look at the manual interface. This is also a more professional operation interface.
它有
It has a variety of parameters combined for clinical.
首先
The first is
是
these four on our left.
我们的左手边这4个，它是
It is different.
就是有不同的
There is a single horse T shape,
一字形啊，还有
and uphill and downhill.
我们说明书
You can read the manual to understand.
然后右
And
边
then on the right, the tuning in frequency.
调节，它有
It's tunable to different frequencies.
这个频率可调。设置好
After setting the frequency and amplitude
调
modulation,
幅之后呢，我们
we can also adjust
可
it
以
below.
在下面进行调节它的
Its rise time,
上升时间，工作时间，
Full time
下降时间，停留
dwell time for a fine tune.
进行一个细调，然后
Then the strength of this
这个能量的
energy and the
强度
lower key are turned
和
off.
下降关闭呢，可以在
It can be adjusted at this position above.
就比如说
Let's say we
点
click,
点击选中
pick its energy intensity.
然后
Then by subtracting 是 -5 below.
减10减5减
-1 or add 1 plus 5.
加10进行
Add 10 to increase or decrease.
减少。例如
For example, we are now 100% full.
需要觉得
Feel strong.
我们需要减
We need to
那
reduce,
我们就点击
Then we'll click
减
-1.
或者说
or a big reduction of 10.
减10这样子
Adjust like this.
去调节。然后
Then
其
the
他的
other like frequencies operate in the
下
same
面
way.
也是同样的操作。我们
After
选
we
中之后
choose,
呢，字会变成红
The
色
words will turn
然
red.
后通过加
Adjust by adding or
进行
subtracting.
调节然后下
And the
面
same goes for the
一样
bottom.
然后
After
设定
setting the
好参数之后
parameters,
呢，我们
We
选
select a
中一个
repository.
储存库。例如
For
我们
example,
想
we want to
在
store it on
NE 上
ME.
面那么我们
Then
要
we have to select
先
ME
选
first.
中 NE 之后
Then
再
adjust
调
the parameters.
的参数之后
Save
再
again.
保存。保存之
After
后
saving,
记得一定要点击
Remember
这
to
个
click
字
here to save successfully.
它会有一
It will have a prompt.
呃
Just beep.
提响一下提醒
Remind us that it has been saved successfully.
那我们就
At this time,
可以使用
we
这个
can
参
use
数
this
进行
parameter to operate.
记得
Remember to
把这个
tune up the
能量
energy here. After
之
startup,
后呢，能量要
remember to tune up the energy.
手柄呢才有水出。
The output is only available on the handle here.
好，我们
After us,
之后呢，可以
you can put M2 to M10.
10的剩下
All remaining storage parameters are adjusted.
全部给它调好，或者
Or every customer comes,
就对应的调
we will adjust the parameter accordingly.
我们在
We are using this machine later.
给客户进行治疗
When treating a client,
用我们的
directly select where this parameter is stored.
直接
Just go directly to the client for clinical treatment.
好
Then when we use it,
我们在使用的时候呢，它是
It will be based
根
on-
据我们的，例如
for example, we are operating with ME for the first time.
进行操作。那么
Then when we
在使用
start,
的时候，我们做
after
一定
working for a
时间
certain
之后
period of time,
ME 呢会切换
ME
到
will switch to MR,
然后
then M3, M4, M5 like this.
它会
Just in this
按照
order.
我们这个顺序呢，直接
Go directly
进行
to a
一个
cycle,
就是轮回，然后
then cycle to act to treat.
作用去治疗的。如果想
For
要
example, when we operate ME,
说我们操作 ME 的时候，客户
the client does not want to operate
我
MR.
们可以通过这个按钮
Then we can switch through this button,
直接
just
跳过
skip,
然后使用我们的
then use M3 to operate.
进行操作，或者
Or something else you want to skip.
也是可以跳过的。
It can also be skipped.
我们的
Our machine,
它是有很多种
it has many amplitudes and frequencies
去
to stimulate our muscles,
肌肉的修复
rehabilitate muscles.
它就
It's not like the previous one,
之前的产
the
品
regular
的
thermoplastic.
倍数它是
Fix 2 to 3 frequencies to treat.
3种频率去治疗，这样
This will strengthen our muscles,
成了记忆的
formed a memory.
办法去
There is no way to relieve the pain in the muscles.
疼痛的。
Okay, we'll pause here.
界面呢，大
The
概
operation on the interface is probably like this.
主要是
Mainly an automatic as a whole,
一个自动一个
a manual to control. Okay, we will next display the part of our customer.
展示部位上调
Adjust this boom to the site for treatment.
上作用去治疗。
Let's start with the shoulder. For example, our patient has pain in the shoulder. Let's find the pain point. Then adjust this arm. Or if the client has shoulder pain,
部肩部疼痛呢是
is a little bit down in this triangle.
往下一点点，也就是
It's this scapula here.
胯部这里的话，我们
We can rotate the handle around.
过来。
Okay, here we go.
调节
Treatment of readjusting the upper lumbar area. Or the waist side. Then we adjust the operation on the wrist. Next, let's adjust the treatment of the elbow position.
或者是弯点手肘位置的一个这个。
Let's adjust this position of the ankle next.
这个位置完成。就可以看到。
Let's adjust it next. Treatment on the patient's knee.